Hey, okay, guys. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna try to get that cigarette ash look inside the pocket of the humbucker. It's gonna kind of look like. Let me adjust the camera here a little bit. Okay. Now it's gonna look a little bit something like, if I can get it in there like that. If you can see. Sorry about the light, guys. The darkness of that humbucker pickup pocket. Now that pocket is white, if you can see. It is white. The other two are red. Now I also did the same thing in the two red pockets. I put a mixture of, this is what I did. I put a mixture of cigarettes. I don't smoke, by the way. Cigarette ash and true oil. It's a gun stock finish. Now, this idea is not mine, by the way. This idea is Jim Francis's idea. Jim Francis Guitars on YouTube. But I put a twist to it, as to some of my other things that I did on my Frankenstrat. And it's the same thing that I've used. I've used it, I don't know how many times in different applications, as this liquid stain. And it's a vintage amber stain, so it's kind of like a darker color. Now, you might want to wear gloves with this stuff because it does stain a little bit, kind of like a tobacco look on your fingers sometimes. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the true oil and we're going to go ahead and pour some of it in the ash and mix it up. So let me get the top off here. If I can get it off, there. If I can get the top off the bottle, there we are. Okay. Now we're going to pour some of that in there. You don't want to pour too much in, just enough to get the ashes mixed up in it. And we're going to take a brush. You can get a brush anywhere. I got this one. I got a smaller one, but I couldn't find it. So you can take a brush and just mix it up here. All right, so now we got the true oil and we got the ashes all mixed up. Now, you can either do this next step beforehand or afterwards, after the ashes have dried on the surface of your pickup pocket. I'm going to do it right now. So, it doesn't take very much of this stuff. You want to take your stain and probably put, that's about 10 drops. And then go ahead and mix that up in there. See, now you're getting a real yellowy, almost tobacco look. Well, of course, because you got ashes in there. So now you got that. Now this is really going to show up on the wood. So and you got all that ash in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to let that dry. Now you won't see the lines or anything like that once you got your pickup in and stuff like that. And that'll dry right down. And what you're going to do is sometimes you're going to pat it in there to really see the ash. And you got that really what's it called, tar, nicotine looking color going on there also. So once that dries, it'll look a little bit, I would say probably a little darker than what it is right now. But that's what I did. Now, it all depends on you also. How dark do you want it, or how light do you want it? That's something that's gonna be up to you. How I did it, and I'm going to redo it here in the future. I'm going to go back in, and I'm going to repaint that pocket that I have, and try to make it a little bit darker. So that's how I did. Now remember that this is not my idea totally. I just put a twist on it using the vintage amber stain. Now this vintage amber stain comes in quite handy doing other things on your guitar too, as far as making it look aged or what have you. So that's basically pretty much how I did it. You can add as much or as little as you want into the ash. I could have burned a few more cigarettes to make it a little bit thicker, or I could have put not as much of the gun oil in there to not to make it thicker. But anyway, that's how I did it. Gives that nice amber look and a nicotine look and a dirty look also, because stuff would get dropped in there and it just stayed. So anyway, thanks for dropping by and taking a look at how to age the inside, make it look smoky and make it look nicotine and all that stuff. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, ring the bell for notifications on other videos, and please leave a like. It really helps out the channel a lot. I really appreciate all my subscribers that have subscribed to my channel, and I'll appreciate any other subscribers that subscribe. I do have one thing coming up though. There's going to be a change coming up soon. Really excited about it. So keep an eye out for that. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. All right? Bye-bye.